my channel. So you guys, this is the ad before Christmas. If you guys don't really need anything, their deals are not the greatest. A lot of these deals are deals that have been going on all month long, repeating stuff. So it's up to you guys if you need to get some last minute items. They do have some good snacks, but not much going on. So today, I'm going to share with some deals for you guys, but otherwise than that, there's really not a lot of stuff happening. If you guys can see this, we got the gifts of the week. The number 7 is $33.99. We got some race cars for $9.99, and then they have a 2-pack cup for $12.49. Then they have some gifts for buy one get one 50% off, and a lot of this stuff is until the 25th. The 25th, because a lot of this stuff will go like 50% off anyways, probably that Saturday. But they do have some toys for $9.99, gift sets $5 to $30. They got some that are 20% off, $10 off. So yes, I just did this deal in my Sunday haul the other day. There is a $1 off coupon. You guys could get one of these boxes for $3.99. They have soda 3 for $9.99, which is an okay deal, making them $3.33. These are buy one get one free. I think these are like $5 or something like that, if you guys need that. Yankee candles, $14.99. I also do want to add there is no inserts coming out this weekend. No inserts. So you guys save yourself a trip going to the store. Mucinex, we have a there's like a $2 coupon. There's also like a $4 off printable coupon I just saw on coupons.com if you guys need to print that. Just nothing really popping out. Purex is buy one get one free. Those are usually $5.99. We got Crest right here for $3. There's going to be a 5 off a 3 digital coupon. You guys would pay $4. You get a $3.50 register reward, making them just 50 cents or 17 cents a piece. We have 7-Up A&W. This is a great deal. This is the stock up deal, you guys. Those come out to be just $2.66 a piece. That's the deal that I always do when they have those deals. But otherwise, they got some Gain, Charmin, Bounty for $9.99. You guys will get a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of them. So making them like $16. Okay deal. DiGiorno, I saw that there's an Ibotta deal, but I don't know if it's for Walgreens. But those are buy one get one free. Kellogg's $1.99. We are getting. We do have printable coupons. I just saw on coupons.com. Plus, there's probably other coupons out there for $1 off of 2. So you guys would buy 2 of them for $2.98 or just $1.49, and there may or may not be an Ibotta rebate with that. Candy deals, 2 for $6, buy one get one 50% off. The Russell Stouffer, 2 for $1. Ghirardelli Russell Stouffer is $9.99. Then we got more candy deals just popping up, like $2.99, 2 for $4. Nothing really big, no really big deals. Here we got some more Kellogg's cereal, 2 for $5. You guys can use that coupon to get them each for $2, depending on if there is a Ibotta deal. It could be even better. Soup, 2 for $3. Now they are doing this for buy one get one free. So they're no longer looking like the buy 2 get one free. I think it confuses people, maybe. I don't know, but still an okay deal. All are Snuggle, $4.99 after a $2 off coupon. They have the Cascade Swiffer for $4.99. You get a $4 register reward when you buy 3. So a lot of this stuff is all repeater sales, nothing really popping up. All the Christmas stuff, some of it's on sale, and then they got the toys, buy 2 get 1 free. So not really very much going on. Here is some of the electronics photos. They currently have a free 8x10 photo if you guys have not done it. It does end tomorrow, the 17th. Now we're in beauty products. Just stuff here and there. You guys, it's not worth it. Here we got the Neutrogena 2 for $10. We do have a 3 off a 2 coupon. You guys could get them for $7 or $3.50 a piece if you guys are brand loyal. Razor, shampoo, nothing that's really go get it, running, go get it, nothing. So, yes. And then here we are going to the vitamins and medicines. They got some stuff for $11.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. More vitamins, mix and match. Buy one, get one 50% off. Advil. But that seems to be about it. So the ad is very slow. A lot of repeater deals that we already did. So definitely take a break, you guys, if you need to. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See